Okay, so here is the question related to the module. Now here we need to make a room tag block as shown in this image and add a room occupant name as well as a room number as attributes. Now after doing that, insert one of the instances of this attributed block in the drawing and give the room occupant name as Alex and the room number as 24. Now for making this block, we have used a hexagon which is inscribed in a circle of radius 10 units, and the text height of attribute is 2.4 unit, and it is using simplex.shx font. So to make this attributed block, we need to first start with the hexagon. So I'll go to this draw panel and I'll select the polygon tool. Now type 6 as number of sides, press enter, click at a point, then select inscribed in a circle and enter a radius of 10 unit and press enter. Now there we have it. Now we need to add a horizontal line. So click on line and add this horizontal line in the hexagon. Now we need to add the attribute values, and before adding the attribute value we need to define the text style as per the requirement. So for that I'll go to this annotation panel, expand it and click on this text box. Now this will open our text style window. Now here we need to select simplex.shx font or the simplex shape font, which is here. Also we need to ensure that the text height is 2.4, and now apply, make this current and close it. So now our current text style is applied and we can add attributes, and these attributes will take this current text style. So to add the attributes, I'll go to insert tab and now click on define attributes. Now you can add any tag, prompt and different values. So in this case I'll add occupant as the tag and name as the prompt, and I'll leave this default value blank, and let's click on justification, make it middle center, and the text height is already set here. You can see this. We only need to ensure that standard text style is selected. Now click on OK and specify the location. So I'll click somewhere close to this midpoint. There we have it. Now similarly add another attribute also, or you can copy this attribute. So I'll simply go to home tab, select copy and copy this attribute. So I'll click on this point and I'll copy it somewhere over here. Now let's modify this attribute. So for modifying this, I'll double click on it and we need to change the tag and prompt value. So the tag should be room and the prompt should be number or any other value which you want, and I'll click on OK. So there we have it. Now we can convert this into our attributed block. So for converting this, I'll go to this create block and give this a name. So let's name it as room tag. Now select the pick point and select this middle point. Then make sure convert to block is selected and click select objects and select all of them and press enter. Also make sure allow exploding is checked and open in block editor is unchecked and click on OK. And there we have it. We have the number and name. So the number should be 24 as per our question and the name is Alex. Okay, and click on OK. And there we have it. We have the attributed block here with the occupant name as Alex and the room number as 24.